What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today's December 6th, 2022, and I just got a new order from Silver Gold Bull, so I thought I'd kind of discuss a little bit of market commentary, little bit about gold and silver, and especially like storage, like capsules and cases and these black rings and that type of thing. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decision like buying gold or silver or pursuing any of the strategies I discuss on this channel. The channel is for entertainment purposes only. All right, guys, if you're into this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my website, My Road to Wealth and Freedom. Link is in the description below. So a couple months ago, I made a rather large gold purchase of that PAMP bar. So I kind of took a bit of a breather, but what I want to show you today is that the other day I managed to pick up this here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Maybe I can take it out of the package here. This is a 1/10 ounce gold coin. It's actually a really beautiful gold coin. It's the first special service force between, I think, the USA and Canada and World War II. I think these guys might have either been like the Devil's Brigade or whatever. It's an old coin, 2015. It's my first 10th ounce coin, and I'm really surprised at just how small it is. You know, I've had those ducats, the Austrian and Netherlands gold ducats there, and those are about 0.11, so a little bit over a tenth of an ounce, almost pure gold, 98% or something like that. And it was they're actually much larger, but I think they're a lot thinner than this. This is super thin. This is a 1/4 ounce. So yeah, you can see it's anyway. It's my first 10th ounce. Why did I buy a 10th ounce? The price of gold shot up with the Fed fake pivot. They're not pivoting. They're still raising interest rates. We do have higher interest rates. I'm not really sure why the market decided to take Powell's speech as being uber dovish. But hey, whatever. The damage is yet to come, and I see today in the stock market, yesterday as well, it's been a huge sell-off as people really digest what Fed Chair Jerome Powell was saying the other day. I mean, if you're watching this, you're into gold and silver, and we all know the end game. That said, it's important to remember that, you know, things that we know will eventually happen don't necessarily mean that they're going to happen tomorrow. And do not underestimate the ability of the powers that be to keep this system going. You know, we're seeing that in Canada right now. People are underwater on their mortgages, and the banks are bending over backwards to tack on longer amortizations. Any interest owed will just get added to the mortgage principal. And, you know, there are all these sort of shenanigans attempting to forestall the inevitable, which will be people won't be able to afford anything ever. Even if interest rates go down, you know, once you go bust, you know, you go bust. You can't afford what you have now. You know, it's not going to be that much better, especially, you know, if they try to quickly drop rates, and, you know, people are just going to be in a world of hurt. So many mortgages have, you know, these penalties. If you break their penalty, you know, you're subject to you know, fees that can be quite significant, tens of thousands of dollars for sure. So anyways, all by way of saying, I try to make it a habit that even, you know, we've had a lot of bad luck, I guess. I don't know, but call it like bad luck, but just like we've had some appliances breaking on us lately. You know, I haven't really had a whole lot of money. You know, I'm trying to fill up my retirement account to get the tax break, and, you know, this whole song and dance. Christmas is coming. You know, it's an expensive time of year. You don't have all the money in the world. So I decided, hey, you know what? I saw they had this silver gold bull on a bit of a deal. Um, so I pulled the trigger, picked it up, and it's a nice coin. It's a beautiful coin. I've always liked it. I don't know why they still have these. Maybe they're not that popular with investors. Maybe just bullion people want, the maple leaf. To me, gold is gold. It's not so much the price. Well, in a way, it is kind of the price you pay, because when you sell it, you're probably just going to get spot maybe slightly better, or maybe slightly less, depending on what it is. So the close as you can get to paying for spot, the better. That said, premium for a 10th ounce is a lot higher than, a 1 ounce coin or a 1/4 ounce coin. So, but anyways, it's within my budget. I wanted to add a little bit of gold. I bought a couple Satoshis of Bitcoin the other day. Not really the other day, a couple of weeks back, when it was, the end of the world with FTX going bust and that. And I do the same with gold. Gold dropped and about $50 or something like that the other day. And it's like, you need to take advantage of these scenarios and stuff like that. And although I must admit, when you're buying a 10th ounce, it doesn't really matter if gold's up $50, down $50. It really kind of works its way out in the wash. You're paying such a high premium anyway for the smaller fractional gold piece that, price movement is immaterial. So, but nonetheless, hey, I saw the opportunity. I want to do it. It's not about, trying to get the best deal in the world. It's about adding a little bit of weight to my financial insurance. That's how I kind of look at it. But a big reason why I decided to pull the trigger was because I was in need of supplies. So I got a coin capsule, a couple rings that will fit a 10th ounce. I'm trying to get another tube for maybe some 10th ounces or 1/4 ounces. I got a bunch of these. These are 10 ounce bar cases. I have, I think, 4 of these 10 ounce bars, and I just don't know how good they're going to keep in this. You want to kind of protect it from like getting dents and stuff like that, getting any sort of damage, and they're clinking around. Even if you have them in like bubble wrap and that, it does kind of, cause damage. So I thought I'd get these 10 ounce cases for my silver bars. And let me know in the comments if you have cases for your silver bars, how you choose to store 10 ounce bars. I just feel it just goes a long way for protecting them from moisture, from just damage, right? The hard shell, it's a lot better than this softness, right? You get dropped, you get clinked around, stuff like that. A couple other things I got a while back. I got that British Lion of England 1/4 ounce. I want to put that in a case. So I think this is the 22 millimeter ring. Does that look right? Yeah, 22. That must be for this coin capsule. Yeah, it looks like it. Certainly won't fit this one. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I'm kind of... I shop all around to try to get the best deal on whatever gold I can find. And if that means buying a British Lion of England because it's selling for, $30, $40 less than what 1/4 ounce Canadian maple is, I mean, so be it. I'm going to do that. It's a beautiful coin and it's pure gold. And end of story, full stop. Like, why pay more in premium for the same amount of weight? It'd be one thing if you're going with like, I think if you're dealing with sovereign coins like, Britannias, maples, kangaroos, buffaloes, that type of stuff. There's really no need to pay higher premium for one coin versus the next or whatever. At least that's the way I see it. So anyway, that's it for this video. It's gonna be a short one today. I see like markets are selling off. Gold took a big hit the other day. I think it's kind of 1784 today. I suspect it's probably going to maybe head lower. We are heading into a recession, and there's going to be some great buying opportunities. You know, I took some profits there in my gold stocks that I had, the miners, um, and I put buy orders right back in. Maybe I'll get them, maybe I won't. It's the name of the game, man. Survival. So hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Please like it, subscribe to the channel, check out my website, My Road to Wealth and Freedom. I'm going to be throwing up a passive income um, post pretty soon, and some other good stuff for over the Christmas holiday period. And that. Take care. Cheers.